We're doing multiplication kind of, but on a number line. Read the story, please.
Caleb wants to make 3 balls of yarn for his cat to play with. He uses 6 feet of yarn to make each ball. How many feet of yarn does Caleb need to make?
Okay, look at the blue box. How many equal groups of yarn will Caleb make?
3.
3 what?
Balls. 3
Well, okay.
balls of yarn.
Okay, 3 balls, which is 3 groups.
Yeah.
And so how many equal groups? So 3 groups
Of 6.
should be, no, just 3 groups right now. How many feet of yarn will be in each group? How many feet of yarn would he want for each ball? Wyatt?
6 feet.
6 feet. And what do you need to find? That magic question that I told you should always know. What do we say? What do we need to find? Carter?
How many feet of yarn does Caleb need in all?
Okay. How many feet of yarn does Caleb need in all? Okay, how to figure out this problem? Let's first think, how many feet of yarn does Caleb need for each ball? What did we say about that again?
6.
6 feet. And how many feet of equal length does he need again? 3. And 3. Yeah. I think you could just put 3. No, 3 lengths. That says how many equal lengths? 3 lengths on your paper in the question. Lengths. Okay, now they're going to tell you how to do this. They are telling you right now, so you don't even have to think about it. Begin at 0. Skip count by 6s by drawing jumps on the number line. So because he needs 6 feet, you're going to jump from 0 to 6. Okay, from 0 to 6. It's already on there. You need to trace it. That's 1 cat ball. Okay, so we need another cat ball. So how many more numbers are we going to jump?
6 more.
6 more. So from 6 to
12.
12. That is now 2 cat balls. Now we're going to jump another.
6.
And how much will that be?
18.
And that is how many balls?
3.
Is that how many we're supposed to have?
Yes.
Okay, here's some questions. How many jumps did you make? Everybody?
3.
3 what?
Jump.
3 jumps. How long is each jump?
6.
6 what?
Feet.
6 feet. So then you multiply. Do you see how you have the jumps? Jumps are your first number. How many jumps do you have?
3.
3. That is your first. Okay, I'm just looking at it. It's your first factor for your multiplication sentence. And then how many numbers did you jump? 6. Now, guys, listen to me. This can be easy for you to find your second number. If you look from 0 to whatever it's jumping by, okay, look at 0 and see how far it jumps. If it jumps to 6, then you know that the second number is going to be 6, okay? You don't have to keep counting, oh, this is 6, and then this one's 6, and this one's 6, because you know for multiplication, you have to jump the same amount each time, okay? You have to jump the same amount each time. Now, the only time that it might be wrong is, or your answer could be wrong, is if you didn't count your jumps correctly, okay? Now, so 3 times 6, what did you end on, guys?
18.
So 3 times 6 equals
18.
18. So Caleb needs how many feet in all?
18.
18. Now, here's a question at the end. Why did you jump by 6s on the number line? Why did we jump by 6? Cooper?
Because we needed the equal number of yarn, so we have the same amount.
Okay, but why did we jump by 6?
Because each ball of yarn is 6 feet.
Yes, because there are 6 feet of yarn in each ball. Why did you jump? There are 6 feet of yarn in each ball. Okay, go to the next page. We are already on share and show. But I would like to maybe do the number 1 together real fast, and you can do 2, 3, and 4 with your partner. Okay? Okay, now you're going to have to do 2 things. You're going to have to do the jumps, and you're going to have to write the multiplication sentence. Okay? So, they're saying skip count by drawing jumps on the number line. Find how many in 5 jumps of 4. Okay, so how many jumps are we going to do with what they said? 5. You are going to jump 5 times. You're going to have 5 jumps. What number are we going to be jumping by?
4.
4. So you're going from 0 to 4. Okay? So we're jumping 4 numbers every time. So what's 4 more than?
8.
What's 4 more than 8?
10.
No,
12.
12. What's 4 more than 12?
16.
How many jumps do we have so far?
4.
So we need 1 more, right? So 16 plus 4 is?
20.
Okay. Now, we did the jumps.
It said we have to jump 6.
Oh, it says
How many in 5 jumps of 4?
You're not on the right page.
Okay. So, do you see how the first number is 5? Because that's how many jumps you made. Now let me look on the other page real fast. Was our first number in our multiplication sentence how many jumps?
Yes.
Okay, your first number has to be the jumps. Your first number has to be the jumps in your multiplication sentence. This is the jumps. Okay, then your second number is the number you're jumping by. The number you are jumping by. Okay, now what do we get?
4.
No, what do we get with our answer?
20.
20. Okay, so you and your partner, 3 groups of 8. Okay, when it says 3 groups of 8, that means you're going the first number, and they even have the number for you. That first number means what again?
how many jumps?
The jumps. So you have to make the jumps, and then they have the second number for you too. That's the number you're jumping by. Okay, and then they have it that same thing for number 3. But number 4 is different. Number 4, they did the jumps for you, but now you have to write the multiplication sentence.
No.
Okay? So you do these 3 with a partner, and then it'll be on your own. Make sure you are paying close attention to what numbers go where.
Oh, do we have a 4 with a partner?